to miss out of a trade and to actually lose money. $10,000 I made one day like that. That was like out for liquidity sweep and you're avoiding inducements and all that.
Exactly.
That's where all those problems happen. Sometimes you now just take a peep at your trade and see your profit or something, and it keeps going. You see $10 up, before you know $14 down.
This place is really calm, and one thing I like about the place is the serenity of the whole environment. It's so serene and it's giving strong connection with nature. These trees and everything is beautiful. Sometimes all you need is a little break from the whole chaos of trading Forex, your mental life, your personal life, relationship, and come have a cool feel of nature. Tell me how far now.
My deal, my bro. How far now?
You like how's the environment treating you like?
Yeah, this place is peaceful. It's a place for relaxation. Just want to sort of like unwind. Relax with friends, relax with family, or even if you just want to think deeply about your life. Yeah, this place is a very
Think about
good
what
place.
Forex is doing to you.
Exactly, what Forex is doing to you.
So far that you've been trading Forex, how's it been like for you trading Forex? Come now.
Okay, my Forex journey has been very interesting because I've been through the highs and I've been through the lows, but no matter how good or bad the experience in Forex is, you always have the motivation to want to do more, because that there's a lot of possibilities.
Do you know something I want to ask? The fact that we finished the academy together at the same time, right?
Yeah, we did.
Academy. And so far that you've been in the academy, that after the academy, life after the academy and everything, what is that one challenge that you feel like on your own without any mentor or any guide, right? What is that one challenge that's been so strong and keen on you since after you finished the academy?
Usually, my major challenge has been holding a trade, normally. But from the start, when I started at Happy Forex, we were having issues with how to enter the market, the demand, resistance zone, and all those things. So after some experiences that normally it's experience that makes you a better trader, because you understand, you have to learn from your mistakes and from your losses. So from there, it started getting easier. Then after the whole graduation and all that from Happy Forex Academy, then we had this I had this problem of holding a trade, because those candlesticks are so sensitive that they just keep shaking, they go up and down.
Especially when you're on the smaller
I
time
swear,
frame.
sure you get. Then that volatility scares you, because sometimes you now just take a peep at your trade and see your profit or something, and it keeps going. You see $10 up, before you know $14 down. Before it's crazy. So that's strength, because I think it's strength you need to sort of like hold your trade. You need that psychology, the mindset to keep holding the trade. But I think the strategy I developed, or what I decided to be doing, is after I just placed the trade, because I feel like I've gotten to a stage of understanding the market very well to some extent. So I just place my trade and just maybe go and do something else.
Okay.
Understand?
Escape.
Exactly.
Yeah,
and
give your mind that
exactly. In most cases, when I get back and look at the trade, I just notice that is that a profit or a loss? And the losses should be minimal if you actually do your analysis and your risk management. Risk to reward ratio, you calculate it well. I don't think you have any issue with that. But if you keep just staying along in the market for no reason and keep over trading, there will be more losses than gains. That's what I feel.
I had one terrible trading experience. I set a buy limit on a pair. Price came close to my buy limit, did not tap me in, but eventually went straight to TP.
Yeah. It's quite frustrating.
That experience, has it happened to you before?
Yeah, of course. Now usually it's because you're mainly looking out for liquidity sweep and you're avoiding inducements and all that.
Exactly.
That's where all those problems happen. And it's okay to miss out of a trade and to actually lose money.
Exactly.
In that kind of situation, I feel like it's better to just smile at it and just even be happy that you actually got your analysis right, only that you did not enter the trade, because you cannot get all the trades right. And there are sometimes that even if you don't enter the trade, you are sure that at least you did not lose your money. You did not risk any, no risk, nothing. It's just that you just did not enter the trade, so you shouldn't beat yourself too hard.
It's really cool. It's really cool.
Yeah, so,
Let's go with this question, right?
yeah.
How much have you made in a single trade so
Okay.
far that you've been trading?
Okay, well, I think I've made between, well, say 5 to 15K. Like in between, like I remember a
I
certain
beg now.
$10,000 I made one day like that. That was like,
my account.
my brother, you get money past me
I beg now. Make I drop account.
See my chairman.
I beg now. I beg. Please, sir, please. But it's really fun. It's really fun. It's really fun.
Yeah.
Trading can elevate you from the smallest place to somewhere you can never imagine. Trading will
change your life,
it
and
will-
if you're
it-
not careful at the same time, it
it
could
will ruin
even
you.
your,
Yes, exactly.
you understand, but you just have to know how to
Go about
go
it, right?
about it. Look first, then leap.
Exactly.
Don't just leap anyhow.
Not- if you leap
because-
anyhow, you will fall, and then you.
because you see that people are leaping, you say, "Man, go and-"
No. Our mentors that are doing the big flip and everything, they
Yeah.
went through the small stage.
Yeah,
They
and-
went through the small stage.
Yeah, as much as I like to think that those guys are, those are mentors are making it like a sort of a form of motivation to people where they should post their flashy life, and I will also advise that they shouldn't look at that end result. They should actually look at the road to the end result, but focusing on how to grow your money, how to the little $10 that you have growing, just grow it gradually until you get there. But if you think that you want to over risk or over leverage just because of the lifestyle you see online and all that about Forex trader, you might be misled and you might just rush into making some decisions that wouldn't favor you.
But that still doesn't change the fact that you will send me some money.
Of course, you have to be ambitious. No, I'm not sending. No, okay, my guy. Okay, no, Allah, no, Allah. We will see as they go. I know picture they drop water inside ocean. See ocean.